All right. So we have a program already made brilliantly by the author called Beat the Bank.
Beat the Bank Mosaic.
So use 2 coins. You can use loonies or toonies to get 5. Wait, 2, 2, and yeah. There you go. Good. Sorry for the interruption. Okay.
Beat the Bank Mosaic.
Now what we want,
RP?
JB, what we want is to create what's called a flowchart to explain the functionality of our program. You know what the word functionality means?
Like functionality, like features and stuff?
Features. It means features, it means what the program does, it means how the program works. So we start. That's when we launch it in terminal. We type Python and the name of our file and it launches. What happens after we start?
The script runs.
The script runs. What's the first thing that happens in the program?
The thing on the top of the script.
Which is?
Line 1.
Okay, now, you are right. Technically, you're totally right. What's the first thing that the user sees?
The print, like the print commands and stuff.
They see the print commands, yes. What's the very first print command that's prompted to the user?
Like if it's I/O, it'll be like raw input.
Yes. Now I'm not looking for that's what you're describing is the low-level language. This is called high-level. This is more abstract. This is something that describes the program to someone who doesn't know how to program. Flowcharts.
Yeah.
Now, what's the first thing that the user sees if they didn't know how to program?
If there is a script error, it will say what part of the script is incorrect syntax.
But our program is perfect. There's no errors.
Yeah.
Well, actually, it's not perfect, but it's pretty close. Now, after start, the first thing that comes up is they ask a question. Do you know what the question is?
Like,
do you want to play?
Yeah. Do you want to play with I/O? But how do you do like press any key to play or something?
That's an I/O question we can talk about. This sort of triangle thing represents a question. If they say no, what happens? What happens if they say no?
It will print, no worries, thanks for signing on.
And then what will it do?
It'll exit the programming.
I'm just going to put exit to make it quick.
And clear screen.
Exit plus, if I put CLS, is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Clear the screen so it's just the prompt showing up.
Now, otherwise, if they say yes, what happens?
They start playing. Like they do a random range.
That's right. Now, well, that's right. So, if they say yes, then we play, like you said.
Yeah.
What's the first thing that happens in play? When you start playing the game, what's the first thing that happens?
It says, like when you first start the game, it'll say, awesome, let's play Mosaic Vault 1, and then it'll say 107.
That's right, because we hard coded in the first value. Now, so you play. Do you want to play? Yes. Play. First thing that happens is you're given a value.
Yeah.
You're given a value? Right. So you're
giving it a layout, like a diagram.
Given number, or given amount.
Given amount.
Then what happens after a given amount?
Given amount?
It says, awesome, let's play. You get 107. Then what happens?
And it'll say, it'll print, do you want to keep going?
Beautiful. Is it a question just like this one?
Yeah, it is.
Yes. So we're going to put a diamond around it.
And if yes, it will keep going. It will say Mosaic Ball 2 and then do a random range.
Okay, this is already looking pretty complicated, but we're just about done. So let's say we start, we want to play, we're going to play, we're given an amount. Do you want to keep going? What happens if we say no?
It'll say congratulations and you win the random range, like the value for the random.
No. Win amount?
Amount.
Can I put AMT?
Yeah.
Because I'm getting a little clustered here. After winning the amount, does it just exit?
Yeah, it does.
So I can draw an arrow right to here. How nice is that?
Yeah.
What if we say yes? I do want to keep going.
It'll go back. It'll do Mosaic Vault 2.
Right.
It will go. It'll print, and say Mosaic Vault, and then next vault.
Right. So does it give you another amount?
And then yeah, and it will just go up there like a loop.
That's right. It is. So we're gonna loop around. But before we loop around, it does one check, doesn't it?
Like
What is a check?
if it's an alarm.
Okay. So if no alarm, then given an amount.
Yeah.
If there is an alarm, then it exits, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna put alarm question mark.
And then exit.
If yes to the alarm, we
Exit.
go all the way. I'm going to cut through. You're not supposed to cut through again. I'm going to cut through all the way to exit. If no to the alarm, where does it go?
Go here.
It goes right there. Very good. And this is our entire program in a flowchart. Isn't that cool?
That's cool.
Isn't that cool? Now, here's what we want to do today. We want to add some functionality.
Yeah.
What are we going to add in?
Like, to keep adding score to a certain value, like a text file
Okay.
or a DAT file or whatever.
Beautiful. So now, have a seat. Let's take a look. We start the game. Do you want to play? Yes. Let's play. I'm given an amount. Do you want to keep going? Yes. Alarm? No. Given an amount. Do you want to keep going? Yes. Alarm? No. Given an amount.
Yeah, it's in a loop.
Let's say I have $2,000 and I want to keep $2,000.
And if it's a no, it will, like, we want to add a no function. If it will go no, win amount, and exit.
Right. Now, when you win the amount, we want to log that in a file. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, we
That
want
would be a great piece of additional functionality. Now, in our flowchart, where are we going to put it in?
We are going to put it in like a text file.
Sorry. On the board, when should it happen? Where should the arrow go? To the box that's going to say log. Should I call it log winnings or log
Wins.
log wins? Whatever makes sense. Okay, log wins. When should the arrow point to log wins?
Log wins
Yeah.
to right here.
So as we're going along, here I'm gonna trace along, and you tell me when I should put the marker over here. Start. Do you want to play? Yes. Play. I'm given an amount. Do you want to keep going? Yes. Alarm? No. I'm given an amount. Do you want to keep going? Yes. Alarm? No. Given an amount. Do you want to keep going? No.
And put a no.
No. And then what?
Put the thing right there.
Aha. Then to log wins, and what after log wins?
It will print how much you win. And maybe I could make it say like open. Like,
So like this is our print for winning an amount.
yeah.
And then we exit. Okay, so let's try a couple run-throughs. I'm gonna walk through with arrows. We're gonna make sure this is good. Start. Do you want to play?
Yeah.
No, I don't want to play. What happens?
No worries. Thanks for signing on, and it exits.
And we exit. Beautiful. Exit and
We
clear
forgot
screen.
to put the print thing there.
That's okay. Print is assumed in some of these. Like win amount, that's a print. We print the amount you win. Exit, we print no worries. Given amount, that's a print. We print how much you won.
But
I just don't have enough room to put all the stuff on. Okay, let me do another walkthrough. Have a seat. Let me do another walkthrough. Start.
Yeah.
Do you want to play? Yes.
Yeah.
Play. Given amount. Do you want to keep going?
Yes.
Yes. Alarm?
Yes.
Yes.
Alarm.
Exit.
Thank you for trying.
Now, if I hit the alarm, does it go to the log of wins?
No.
No. Why doesn't it go to the log of wins?
Because you won nothing.
Because you didn't win. Way to go, Josh. Okay.
Like I wanted to make it so it makes a new line in the code.
Yeah, we're going to do that. I just wanted to show you in a flowchart what it looks like first and show you how crazy, cool, complex this program is. Doesn't it look cool?
Yeah, it does.
Yeah. Can we do one more walkthrough?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do one more walkthrough.
Start. You want to play? Yes. Play. Give an amount. You want to keep going? Yes. Alarm? No. Give an amount? Yes. Keep going. Alarm? No. Give an amount? No. Log wins. Win amount. Exit.
We did it, man. Way to go.
Here's a little wireless thing.
Hey, thanks.
That's for a wireless mouse.